Right, anyways, I woke up very early today because I have to drop my brother off as first day of high school, but I still got time, so morning work, and I'll check in with you afterwards. Right, I'm gonna drop my brother off in 20 minutes, so let's get ready and drop my brother off at school. That's my new routine now, from Monday to Fridays. I'm gonna have to drop my brother off at school. Oh, no. Shush, looking spick and span. First day of school, how are we feeling?
Alright.
But let's head. Bro, imagine being stuck in traffic in Alice Springs. Unreal, unreal. Right, so I just dropped Maddie off at school. Anyways, I'm gonna have to go grocery shopping a bit just because we ran out of meat. That's pretty much it, so let's go grocery shopping. Okay, grocery shopping is all done. I ended up buying a lot of meat just because it was really cheap, and I'm just gonna freeze them all. Anyways, I'm gonna go home, restock the fridge, and I'll check with you when I'm making breakfast, I suppose. Right, everything's all sorted. For some reason, I'm kind of hungry, so let me make breakfast real quick. I think I'll have the pork mince that I just bought. I end up having the chicken breast instead of the pork mince, just because the chicken breast is going to turn bad soon, and it kind of starts smelling like it's going to go bad, but it's not bad yet. Does it make sense? But yeah, very easy stir fry recipe. Taste test. That's good. Anyways, I've just got an email about my move-in date for college, which is going to be at 9:30 on Saturday, so I'm gonna wake up early for that. But today I woke up really early, and now I have like low-key a headache because I'm not used to waking up early. But you know, it's gonna take time to get back into routine. Right, I don't usually eat breakfast, but when I'm awake, like 5, 6, or 7, I need my proper 3 meals a day, just because I don't know, it takes too much energy to function, you know? So let's talk about my plans for the day. I'm not gonna work out today. My traps are on fire, like bro. It just feels like someone's like dragging my shoulders down currently. I gotta pick Maddie up from school at 3 p.m. and then afterwards probably cook dinner and then call it a night as usual. Before then, I have no plans at all. So I'm probably just gonna like, I don't know man, probably just learn more about YouTube I suppose. Alright, I tried. I'll save that for later for leftovers. Yeah, and I still got leftovers from last night, so I'll probably have leftovers for lunch. But anyways, I'll check in with you in a bit.
A few moments later.
Right, I'm just done editing this morning, but anyways, I'm trying the ice cream. Yo, this is so good. This matcha green tea white chocolate ice cream. This is getting like a 9 out of 10, like no joke, it's really nice. But anyways, I'm gonna go take a nap now because I'm like really tired, my head is buzzing for some reason, so I'll check in with you when I'm awake.
1 eternity later.
Right, it is currently 1:30. I just woke up from my nap. Anyways, Emily has asked me to go hang out with her, so I'm gonna go catch up with her. I haven't seen her in a while, and yeah, I'll check with you when I'm at Emily's. What's good, fam? Oh nice, you're actually baking stuff. What do you make? What do you make in the stove?
Potatoes.
Potatoes?
I'm gonna make like
Chat, see this.
potatoes.
Have you seen like the Tesla robots? People just do these are out of the robots. I'm like, what is wrong
What do you
with
expect?
people?
They do that to people.
Yeah, but like,
they do that to human people. You think they're not gonna do that to?
you know what's the funniest comment? Because you know how the Tesla robot's blue, right? People was like, just wait until it turns red. I'm like, damn. How's your life been since we last debrief?
Oh my god. It's been good.
Paper, garlic, onions.
I don't know, just anything to give it a little bit of flavor. That's my best guess. This is gonna be.
What about baking powder?
No,
You just bake it. Do you need more flour? Do you need help?
Yeah, I told you leave in 10, and then you didn't know what to do.
You didn't give me any confirmation. I'm like, I don't know.
Because why do you need confirmation if I told you what to do?
Womp womp, you know what I mean. I'm locked in on this mashed potato. Don't that much. You put butter in it.
No.
But why not? Butter makes everything
We're
better.
not making mashed potatoes.
How much?
I don't know, quite a bit.
That's it?
Yeah.
I'll just get down and dirty with my hands.
Yeah. They smell very garlicky.
Oh, this looks amazing. Whoa, that happened so fast. Right, anyways. Taste this. Just gonna raw dog in no sauce. Oh, that does look good. That is so good. It's the first time making it.
Oops.
This is getting a 10 out of 10 in my books. Yeah, I'll think yourself. No, it's perfect because it's like crispy but like soft on the inside, you know what I mean? Yeah, bagel's funny. Oh, that's piping hot. You want some?
Yeah. But it is an improvement from last time.
You know what? It's not bad. Since coming back to Alice, have you left the house much other than errands and groceries? Because you're not working either, hey? Like, if you guys don't know how boring Alice Springs is, you don't leave the house in here just because there's nothing better to do, I suppose. It's either be at home and be bored, or get out and potentially get jumped in town, so stay at home.
2 seconds later.
Debrief time with Emily. We can go for a drive, pick Maddie up, and then we can just drop her back. I'm gonna drop you off afterwards. Or do you need anything in town?
I had to go to this for the rest of the day.
No, I'll probably cook dinner for Maddie. Cooking mince for dinner. What's your plan for dinner? Are you gonna cook for Dad?
Yeah, I don't know what.
You're gonna feed your dad bagels and potatoes for dinner.
Potatoes, he doesn't eat what at all.
Does he?
No.
No, you could combine them. You're gonna make it into a sandwich and pop tarts and potato.
Ew. I'll do that.
You do it? It's sweet and salty, eh?
It doesn't taste bad, but am I wild?
Pop tarts and potatoes.
And cheese.
And cheese.
It's not that bad.
It's good. This is like extra crunchy, you know?
Yeah.
He's a bit to handle, eh?
Yeah. I was like, what is he saying?
I feel like if you have troubles, he's a good listener. Like, he gives good advice. You're never gonna be on a similar wavelength with him unless you guys are both going through something, is what I would say. Yeah, it's really stressful in this generation, I think. Because you, like, in social media, you see, like, extraordinary things every single day, you know what I mean? Especially kids at any age. But then you realize there's, like, 8 billion people out there, so 8 billion people had to go through a childhood at some stage, and I feel like it's always not going to end, like being compared to like the best of the best.
Yeah.
Just live in the moment, you know.
Because like back in the day,
Back in the day.
you just had to compare yourself to like the kids at school.
Yeah.
Or like your neighbors.
Because you don't hear about that much stuff. Maybe, Or maybe you get compared to your kid from the
Not
newspaper.
someone across the world who's like a master at piano, like, or just someone who can speak 10 languages because you're just scrolling because that's just...
That is impressive, isn't it? Humans are really impressive. Oh, we love biology. Biology just makes sense, it's intuitive. It's kind of like maths, you know what I mean? You can't really explain, but when you solve a question, you're like, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Just eat roadkills, bro.
Yeah.
Wait, not fine.
Those things got diseases, bro. They got like bugs and maggots and stuff in them.
Probably. Oh my god, did I tell you? When I was driving back home the other day, no, when I was leaving home the other day at night, like a kangaroo like hit my back. But I was going up that Cromwell Hill, so I was only going like 20-30 k's an hour, and the kangaroo just like full blown slammed his head into my freaking like
the back
back.
of your car.
Yeah, but it didn't leave a dent or anything because I was going so slow, but it just had like boom. And then I saw in the back view mirror, the kangaroo just hopping over. I was like, okay, bloke's fine. He just probably just slammed into a wall. He just thought he slammed into a wall. Bro, kangaroos do not have a brain. They just like jump around.
Yeah, but like we pushed it along the road.
Yeah.
And then it just hopped away and we're like, oh.
Yeah, we're just riding kangaroos to school every day. Like people don't believe us. Like people that's not in Australia don't believe that. But people that live in Australia knows for a fact, especially in Alice Springs,
Yeah,
kids ride their kangaroo to school.
how big the pouches get.
Yeah, exactly.
How big the mums get.
Or how strong they are.
Yeah.
You can strap weight to them and they can still hop fine.
Yeah, and you like make little saddles and little.
Just go to the creek, just
Yeah.
all shortcuts.
Yeah.
All through Charles Creek, just
Yeah, I remember when I was like in transition of being the pouch, and now I'm on the back of it, on my little saddle. That's what getting your license is.
yeah. Shall we head?
Yes.
Right. Let's go pick Maddie up from school. Oh. Oh, what's good, Maddie? How was first day at school? Is it?
A few moments later.
You didn't give me your definition of love, because I feel like love can mean a lot of different things in this day and age. Like love as in like you would take a bullet for them without a second thoughts, or like love as in like, you know, what is love? What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. I genuinely have no good grasp of what love is, I think. Well, I think I do. It's just a feeling that you feel like you're home, you know what I mean? Is that what love is?
I think so.
Life experience changes a person, I think. Like genuine life experiences.
Yeah.
Whew. So they're pushing it, and that's pushing it.
That's the question.
That's pushing it.
Yeah, I know.
Right, so I'm done debriefing with Emily for now. We're gonna go for a swim just because it's like so hot. Yes, I'll check in with you when I'm doing something else. So, anyways, as usual, gotta lock in with your sunscreen. I forgot to put the water on, so the pool level is kind of low currently. So the water is not properly being cleaned, but oh well, it is what it is. Just gonna take a shower afterwards. Anyways.
My bum is wet.
But I forgot to check on the pool because it's been a while, so. Where do you want to go?
Yeah.
Looks good, doesn't it? You can cook more, because like whatever we don't eat, he's just gonna break to school tomorrow. Should I add some ginger to this pork mince?
Yes.
You like ginger? Well, I love Christmas music, man.
Actually,
Do you not like Christmas
I
music?
used to hate it,
You hate Christmas music?
but I like it.
Ain't
now.
no way,
I like
bro.
it now.
We can't be friends.
I like it now. I like it now.
That's really good.
I just hear like the same like 5 songs.
What's the 5 song? The one by
Mariah Carey, obviously.
yeah, All I Want for Christmas Is You.
Yeah.
What else?
What else? Santa Baby.
Santa Baby. Yep.
I like that
It's a holly jolly
Yeah.
Christmas. I love that song.
beginning to
Look a lot like Christmas. Okay, what else?
one.
The one by Ariana Grande goes hard as well.
Yeah. I kind of like pop Christmas.
Or the one by Justin Bieber, Mistletoe, also goes hard.
I don't get that one.
Right, dinner prep is all done. Just gonna let this simmer for 5 to 10 minutes and then I'll check in with you during dinner. We're having pasta for dinner, baby! How was school today, Maddie? We haven't talked about school. First day back. Class exciting? Good.
Yeah, we danced the night in the sky.
Yes, I'm locked in, I'm locked in.
What is that?
What?
Put them on top of each other.
Ah! You distracted me.
No.
You wanna play poker?
No, you can teach me. I've been taught a couple times that. So I'm just beginning.
It goes royal flush like this. This is straight flush, 9-10 queen. So you see how it's a straight but it's the same suit as well? This is just a straight. It's still really strong. It's a straight. But it goes royal flush, straight flush, 4 of a kind, 3 of a kind, not 3 of a kind, full house. So full house is like, let's say 3 aces plus a pair. So this is a full house. So you go 3 of a kind plus a pair. And then it goes flush. 5 of the same cards, the same suit, that's a flush. And then underneath the flush, this is straight. And then after the straight, you have 3 of a kind. After 3 of a kind, you have 2 pairs. So, and then you got a pair plus 3 random cards. And then you just have like ace high, which is ace is the biggest card that all the other cards just doesn't have any combination. Which sometimes can still win, so. Right, anyways, change of scenery now. We're gonna go back to Emily's place and she needs to clean the kitchen and I'll be editing at her place, so I'll check in with you when I'm at Emily's. Right, so I've arrived at Emily's place. Anyway, she's gonna be cleaning the kitchen. I'll be editing, so time lapse time. Right, I am gonna drive home now, so I guess I'm also gonna end my vlog right here. But that being said, let me tell my day for you real quick. So basically, I woke up really early today. I woke up around like 7 and then dropped my brother off at school. And then afterwards, yeah, I went grocery shopping, came back, rested for a while before Emily asked to hang out when Emily woke up. And I spent my day with her, basically baking, yapping, debriefing life, and then picked my brother from school. Then Emily came back, kept debriefing, went for a swim, cooked dinner, board games and whatnot. That's pretty much it, I suppose. Pretty productive day in my books. It's currently like 9:30, so I'm gonna go home, edit, and yeah, call it a night. But with that being said, I just want to thank every single one of you that are always spending party time watching my videos. I appreciate every single one of you. And yeah, I want to wish you all a great day, wherever you are, wherever you're from, and I'll check in with you guys tomorrow.